All right, so today we're off on a ride. Unfortunately, I have taken a turn, and I'm not exactly sure where we are.
But it looks like a safe place.
It does. There's a lot of fences. There's no center line. You know, so I think we're just going to venture out. Rob, the rope's getting bigger, and there's a bank. What do you think of this? I've always wanted to see what I could get my truck up to.
Well, there's concrete barriers to keep us in, so I guess if you stray off course, you can just bounce right back on.
We are on the Brainerd International Raceway, folks.
We're going for a ride.
We are. We wanted to go for a ride, and here we are. So we wanted to drive the track once before we filmed it tomorrow.
Yep.
So you're getting a preview of the entire track that's going to be raced without anyone else on the track.
Exactly.
In my very, very hot and souped up 2011 Ford Explorer.
That's right.
Let me tell you, the tires are squealing. And I'm going like 24.
Well, this is a nice tight turn here. I like this.
This is a tight turn.
That'll be fun to record tomorrow. And this is where we'd come up to that stand we want to be at, so that's great. So here's that speed people would build up in this straight and headed into the
I am building that speed. What is that? I got 4 horses pushing behind me.
We had my Land Cruiser. I could just go straight across everything.
Yes,
we wouldn't have to worry about all those twisties.
Fence or cement walls or anything.
Yeah. We'd climb up the bleachers and over. Oh boy, these are some tight turns, huh?
Yes, they are.
That's going to be fun.
Especially at the speeds, you know, that they're going around.
Pulling. We're at 40 miles an hour. I mean, that's plenty.
It's plenty for us.
For an SUV, but these guys are race cars, and it's going to be fun to see.
At any rate, it's fun to drive on the Brainerd International Raceway.
It's fun to say we've done that, right?
Yes, it
We've done a lot of cool things.
There's another one for the bucket list.
Right. Like I said, we're up here for the SCCA races this weekend. These are the Jack Pine Sprints, and we're going to do some recording. And this is Nathan's taking advantage of a straightaway to wind it out a little bit. I hope he gets on the brakes here, get on the binders a little bit. Yep, they're waving us in. We're done. It's 5 o'clock. Hey folks, I'm Rob.
And I'm Nathan.
And we are
Two Guys in a Ride.
Say, Nate, where are we at today? There should be like a sign or something.
Yeah, there should be a sign somewhere. Hey, we are at the SCCA Jack Pine Sprints at the Brainerd International Raceway in Brainerd, Minnesota.
That's right, and we're going to bring you some race footage, but more importantly, we're going to talk to some of the drivers and get their perspective and find out why they like racing and what has gotten them into this. So before we do that, Nathan,
click on the subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification so you never miss a video.
That's right. So what do you say, Nate?
Oh, let's go to the races. Bye.